Avogel, Soothing Pine Cough Drops, 18 lozenges. Product Overview Description. Cough Suppressant Lozenges. Fast National Relief. For coughs due to colds, for minor throat and bronchial irritation. Bioforce. The Pine Cough Drop with a fresh difference. Made according to the guidelines of Dr. Alfred Vogel, our herbs are grown organically in clean fresh air, harvested at the optimal moment and processed the same day to ensure ultimate freshness and effectiveness. They surpass the highest standard for quality, the German Pharmacopoeia. We only use dried herbs when we can't grow them in our own gardens. Indications: temporarily relieves cough due to minor throat and bronchial irritation as may occur with a cold or inhaled irritants. Suggested use: adults and children 5 to 12 allow 2 lozenges to dissolve slowly in the mouth. May be repeated every hour as needed or as directed by a doctor. Children under 5 ask a doctor. Warnings: safety sealed. If outer package seams are not completely sealed, do not use this product. Do not give this product to children under 2 years of age except under the advice and supervision of a doctor. Keep this and all drugs out of reach of children. Do not take this product for persistent or chronic cough such as occurs with smoking, asthma or emphysema, or if cough is accompanied by excessive phlegm, mucus, unless directed by a doctor. A persistent cough may be sign of a serious condition. If cough persists for more than 1 week, tends to recur, or is accompanied by fever, rash or persistent headache, consult a doctor. Severe or persistent sore throat or sore throat lasting more than 2 days, or sore throat accompanied by high fever, headache, nausea or vomiting may be serious. Consult a physician promptly. If pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a healthcare professional before use. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.